Hey guys, so today we're going over my mini survival pouch. This kit can be attached to your belt, be attached to a bag or inside a pack. In the first little pocket here I have some cordage that's daisy chained to save space, and in the first zip pouch here we have some fire making supplies. I've got some tinder here in a waterproof container. I've also got a tin that has some more fire making supplies, basic first aid stuff in here, and some extra cordage. I also have a candle for extending your fire. The first and only sort of multi-tool here is a Stockmaster pocket knife. It's got 3 different size blades, a can opener, a set of tweezers, and also a pick as well, like a toothpick. It's good for ticks or a multitude of different uses. I like multi-use kit in my gear. I've got a butane lighter. Also got a plastic bag for keeping your tinder dry, some more fire making stuff here. In the second half of the bag, the first thing we pull out is a soy mini. One of my most favorite water filters, and it's great for on-the-go water filtration, especially with the squeeze system. Got a whistle for signaling, a map of the areas I'm traveling to, and a small pocket stone to sharpen or touch up any gear or sharpen stuff on the go. On the back here, we've got our molly attachments. You can hang this in many different ways. It's really easy to attach it to your pack or your person. And then back on the front here, we have a large pouch and a pen.